Hi there. The fourth thing we need to train our subconscious about is to ignore the inferiority complex that basically comes from the idea that we will look foolish if we try to do something new in this already established niche or market. You know, as a kid I myself had this problem, and I had this till I was about 9 years old. In India, we have wedding ceremonies, and it's really very big, fat ceremony, and the attendees dance like crazy in front of the procession, where the groom sits on a horse, now replaced by a Mercedes-Benz or Lamborghini though, but then the custom, the rituals are the same. And people dance in front of the car as it proceeds to reach the bride's home, where the marriage takes place. I always used to think how foolish I might look when I dance, and what would people think about it. So yeah, I had that kind of complex as a kid, and I slowly got rid of that and many other complexes in due course of time. And we will talk about something very similar to that here. You might feel that if you launch a product or publish few videos, and if people don't like it or smirk at it, you might ruin your name and feel embarrassed about the whole thing, right? This is a very common feeling, but you really need to overcome this complex if you want to succeed in any field whatsoever. In fact, I had such bouts of fear for many reasons. First thing, my English is not that great. Secondly, I'm young, and I felt that people might just laugh at my video where I try to actually help them out by revealing the secrets that work for me and solve some academic issues for some friends back in the college. Now, I also used to monitor the reviews and the comments so closely that I realized that I was spending over 4 to 5 hours a day just by watching my own video again and again and keeping an eye on the comments. I'm talking about the YouTubes and Vidler and other places where you go and post your videos. Now, I did this for about a month. And now when I calculate the time, I kick myself so hard that you won't be able to even imagine. You know what? I need 5 hours a day for 30 days. 30 freaking days is 150 hours of counterproductive work. And if I calculate my hourly value, which is not cheap as of today, I see that I lost way more money in form of my time by doing this for a whole month. So basically, if you don't overcome this fear, then all you will find yourself doing is checking more and more emails every single day and not taking action on what you think might be helpful for you financially. See, as a part of my research before, I created the series, and I went ahead and I implemented one single idea of mine that I never worked upon because of my fear. Without altering anything at all, I was shocked. I was literally shocked, or rather staggered, to see that I earned about $789 in a week. That's over $100 in a day. Now you might be thinking that earning $789 doesn't sound much, right? It doesn't sound like much money. So what's the big deal about that? Well, the big deal about this is the fact that if I put this idea on pallet 2 years ago, not to mention 19 other ideas that never took off the ground, I never worked on them at all, I would have been creating this video series 2 years ago and making a ton of money already. So you see why the $789 makes more sense than $1 million right now to me. Now, so if you see where I'm coming from right now, you will get the hint, and we'll start about working on those seemingly stupid and bold money-making ideas, and we'll earn some money out of it for sure. Or at least you'll be able to write it off, if it doesn't work. But you at least give it a try, and that's very important. See, isn't that better than just wondering what would work for you and what would not? Why won't you simply try and do that thing first and see if it works for you or not? If you think about it, be a real transparent man. Being real transparent, foolish, or whatever other people may think. You have to get yourself published now. It's free if you have the mic and a camera or recording software. See, don't try to please everyone, because no one can do that. So you want to shoot a video of yourself talking about something that you're good at, right? Now it might seem to be very common to you, but remember that when you publish this video online, people from all over the world will watch that video, and those things that is considered to be common in your community and country might be unknown to them. and they will become your fan. For example, I helped out a neighbor of mine to create a video on how to make chicken curry, a very common Indian food, right? And trust me on this when I say that it did such a huge thing to this lady, and are confident that she's all set to write a book on a very, very common topic, an extremely crowded niche about cooking Indian food. And I have promised her that I will help her out by slapping a PayPal button on one of my pages, on my several blogs and my download pages and my websites, and that she will for sure earn some money. Now, this is another experiment, but the difference is it's an experiment for her, not for me, because I know for sure that she will make money with my help. But you know what? There's a secret, and I hate to let it out. See, I might be preaching on this, but even I'm scared of failure a bit, and I'm re-recording this video for the third time, and I made it a point to actually mention this in this video now. It's so that I can I can walk the talk and be transparent. And of course, this saves me from re-recording this video the fourth time, because I already mentioned that to talk about transparency, right? So let's market like a man, right? Not a coward, because people like to do business with transparent and real people. There are incidents that, when I receive a refund request on some of my products, and I want you to know, and I want you to know that, and I want to show you some proof that how I even convert or transform that angry customer into a loyal subscriber or customer or a fan rather, right? This is present. So here's exactly what happened, and this was this short presentation. Thank you. Right, hello friends, this is the case study, this example I wanted to show you. There's an email in front of us. It says, "Hi Anvesh, I purchased the product you promoted on December 9th through this link." There's a link over here. And however, the product is not delivered, and for the past few days I have emailed the creator via his support desk. However, there is no reply or intention of resolving this. I am your subscriber, bought through your link, so I hope you can contact the creator and help me resolve it. I have attached the receipt down there of the purchase, and please reply me in the next 48 hours if you can help or not, or I will have to look for other resource to resolve this issue. Thanks, Simon Chu. Now, the guy is not happy, right? I reply back to the guy, say, "Hey Simon, sorry to hear that, and thanks for being kind enough for letting me know before you raise a dispute against my partner. Now, I will go ahead and kick him right away, and will make him answer your ticket." All right? I don't get a reply from this guy, and then I send another email. I said, "Hi Simon, I tried contacting you and the creator, but I'm not able to reach him over the phone. I think I have a PDF with the instructions of the product you got from him, and could you please forward that download link to me, so that I can check and let you know if I can help you out. Plus, I will review it as well. I tried to hunt it on my hard drive, didn't find." So the basic gist of this particular email was that I was not able to contact the vendor, unfortunately. So see, I've been so honest and transparent over here, and I told them that, and I showed the willingness to help him out, because because he's my subscriber, he trusted me, he bought the product, though I was not paid for that, because it's an instant commission thing. So the creator got paid, and the next product or the next reference which I made, I got paid for that. But that doesn't matter. I mean, I'm not looking for, I'm not doing this for money, right? Because I want my subscriber to be happy. So this is what I said. So still no reply, right? Then I sent another email that says, "You got Skype? My name is my Skype ID and let's fix it. I use a modified version that I modified a bit. So if there is urgent, then let me know, and I will send you the modified version which I created for the time being. And like I said, don't worry, we'll get this thing started in some way or other." And then I received a reply from this guy the same day. It's, "Hi Anvesh, I just added you in Skype. We had a small discussion, and this is what he says." I said, "Yeah, don't worry about it. I will check with Sam myself, and I will see what exactly the case is all about." And he says, "I am not, because I now know you." I said, "Thank you for your trust, and I'm being told that you're the most helpful guru level internet marketer I know till now, and I feel for quite some time shamefully saying that." And this is one customer
who now buys and promotes almost everything that I'm selling. So the entire motive of this short presentation was, if you are transparent, if you are a real man, if you are honest to your own subscriber, and if you accept your faults, then you will be big. You will get even bigger. You will earn more respect, and everything will be very smooth. All right. Thanks a lot. Let's move to the next module.